What's the meaning of Caesarian section? Caesarian section. Caesarian section.
Caesarian section. Caesarian section. A Caesarian section is a surgical procedure to deliver a baby. It involves making an incision in the mother's abdomen and uterus to remove the infant. This method is usually recommended if a vaginal delivery would put the mother or baby at risk, or if labor fails to progress. The procedure is typically performed under anesthesia and takes about 45 minutes to an hour. Recovery time varies, but most women can return to normal activities within 6 weeks. While a C-section can be a life-saving procedure, it also carries risks such as infection, bleeding, and injury to the mother's other organs.